the old Vernon School, which was the school for black children, and was built in 1936.
That's the first image that was thrown down our faces, you know. Along with education, everything that came with it. So if you want to, the first thing we can help contribute to the museum, carry that to the dumpster, man. Would you grant me that pleasure?
Yes.
Oh, praise to
We was here, what was it, a couple months ago? You allowed us to take Caesar Borgia out of here. You know, so we wanted to fulfill our word, the true depiction of Jesus Christ. And when you taking people on the tour and you coming through the door and they say, "What's this?"
Say, read it.